Hello, lovely YouTube family, and welcome to another highly informative video. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at a highly exceptional AI tool that is actually bringing a whole lot of spectacular changes in the video marketing industry. This AI tool is so powerful that you can create marketing videos for your brand, business, or even for personal use in very few minutes. And this AI tool is none other than Topview AI tool. Imagine you having a brand, or having a new business, and you want to showcase your brand to the world. This AI tool doesn't require a model or even you shooting scenes for a particular product. All you have to do is to simply upload your logo or upload your business designs on this tool, and it's going to create exceptional video marketing videos for you, videos that you can actually use to showcase your brand in just few minutes. And now to simply get started, all you have to do is to head to the site topview.ai. As you guys can see on my screen right now, just simply insert topview.ai on your search browser and you are in. So now we're here in the home page of Topview. As you guys can see over here, AI marketing videos that drive business success. 100% AI generated videos, no models, no shooting. You don't need to do any shooting. You don't need to employ or look for models out there, which is actually saving you a whole lot of cost, and at the same time generating exceptional marketing videos for your products. So as you guys can see over here, just an example, you have your product, and now it's going to generate a product avatar. Wow, it's going to generate a product avatar for your product, making it look very, very real. And then it's going to convert it to a video of someone talking about that product. You don't even have to do anything. And all this actually happens in just few minutes. And then if you scroll down over here, you can see it's trusted by top tier companies of all sizes. This is actually exceptional. You can see several companies here. We have L'Oreal, we have Anchor, AliExpress, Lay's, Heineken, Evian, and several other top tier companies. This is something you guys don't want to miss out on right now. In fact, as you're watching this video right now, head to the site topview.ai and get started. You need to get started using this AI tool right now. So as you guys can see, as we're over here, generate product assets with AI, fit any product anywhere instantly. So as you guys can see, as we're over here, we have products, clothing products. All you have to do, like I said, is to just upload the product, and then it's going to generate an avatar, a video of the avatar in that particular product or using that particular product, making it look exceptional. So if you scroll down as well, you can see more details, more info about Topview. Use realistic AI avatars for marketing, just like influencers. You don't need to approach influencers. You don't have to spend a whole lot on trying to find the best influencer for your product and things like that. All you have to do is to head to the site Topview and then upload your product image, and it's gonna do the rest for you in few minutes. And then if you scroll down as well, you can see several other details: real AI for video editing and AI avatars and the rest. Now going back to the top on the home page, as you guys can see, this is where you want to get started. This is where you need to create your account. All right, so you click on start for free. Now once you click on start for free, this is where you want to click on sign up. All right, you can sign up over here, or you can just continue with your Google account or Apple account, whatever account is fine. Either way, it is okay. But then I'm going to continue with my Google account over here. You can do the same thing to make the process even faster. Once you're done signing up, like I just did with my Google account, to just make the process faster, all right, now you're going to be asked, select all your use cases, what you want to use the AI tool for. So I'm going to go for social media content, I'm going to go for entertainment, and I'm also going to go for advertising and marketing. All right, you can select as as many as you want. All right, so now once you're done, you simply have to click on continue over here. And now, what's your company size? All right, are you a self-employed personnel? Are you someone who works by yourself like an entrepreneur, or are you just a personal user? or are you a company that has about 2 to 10 and several other options over here? But then I'm going to go for the self-employed over here and then continue. And now, how did you hear about us? Okay, so you want to insert how you're hearing about Topview right now. Although, you guys are watching the video on my channel right now, which is basically on YouTube. So I can go for YouTube, I can go for Google, and then continue. So thanks for your insights. Join our Discord channel to share more ideas. So you guys can also join the Discord channel. All you have to do is to just click on the button over there and you can continue with the process. All right, so now let's get started properly. All right, so now once you click on get started, this is how it works. At the left hand side, we have the dashboard, we have your project, we have assets, and then we have brand kit. So then at the bottom of the left hand side, you have free plan and then the 10 credits. And now in order for you to upgrade, okay, all you have to do in order to get more credits is to simply click on upgrade over here, and then you can purchase whatever plan you want. Trust me, this is actually worth it. It worth it a whole lot, because it's going to save you a whole lot of cost of meeting influencers, trying to make your video stand out, and the rest. This AI tool is actually gonna do all that in few minutes, so it definitely worth the amount. Really get started in inserting your product. You can use several options over here. The first one here is to insert a link to that product. As you guys can see over here, create marketing videos from links or material. All right, so you want to insert the link to that particular product, or you can simply come here to upload file. Let's say you have a picture of your product, so I'm going to go for the option of upload file. So I'm going to click on upload file over here, and once I click on upload file over here, all I have to do now is to select the upload file from here. So I'm going to click on upload file. All right, now I'm going to insert the picture of my product directly over here from my system. All right, so now once you click on it, I'm going to come here to where I have my designs. I'm going to come here to markup. So I'm just going to select one of my products. Okay, so let's go for this one. All right, let's go for this hoodie. Now then you can give your product name. So I'm going to say Kid Cares Clothing. All right, so let's say Kid Cares Clothing, and then if you scroll down again, you can see product details for the script. Okay, so this is where you want to describe about your product, what's the features or things like that. So I'm simply just going to say clothing brand. I can just say Kid Cares Clothing brand sample. Okay, so you can as well describe how you want your video to be. You can see these are some of the things that even make Topview AI so engaging and even so enjoyable. Aside the features, the value, you also enjoy the fact that you're actually making use of it. So I'm just gonna leave it this way, Kikes Clothing brand sample, and then if you scroll down, you can see more options. If you click on this more options, you can see show writing style and several other options for you to select from. If you have a watermark you want to add, and the rest. If you have a logo you want to add, you can go as well to add them. All right, so I'm just gonna close this. All right, so I'm just gonna close this, and then at the bottom over here you can see the type of video format you want to select. Do you want it to be vertical? Do you want it to be horizontal? I'm okay with this marketing video being vertical. All right, if you want other options, feel free to select from the options over here. And then the language, I'm okay with English. And then the person that's actually gonna be in the person talking, do you want it to be female? Do you want to use a public voice? Do you want to use a custom voice? Man, this AI tool is just too good, guys. It's just too good. It's gonna save you a whole lot, like a whole lot. So as you guys can see, you can select from several options, several public, and then if you want to add your own custom voice, you can as well go over to the option of custom voice. All right, so let's cancel this. So I'm just going to go for the public voice, and then avatar. All you have to do is to click on this drop down over here. You can create your own avatar, or you can just select from the avatar options we have here. So I'm going to select let's go for female. Let's go for her. All right, let's go for her. I think, yeah, that's fine. And then confirm. Once you select, all you have to do is to just click on confirm. And now guys, we are close to generating our beautiful video. All you have to do finally, once you feel you're done, you've said all what you want to say, is to click on generate at the bottom. You're gonna see that Topview AI is even gonna give you several previewing options. You can see the first one over here is conveying benefits. I got my hands on Kit's clothing brand samples. These are pieces you can't even buy in stores yet. So as you guys can see, we have the second aspect over here. We have the third one that deals with attention grabbing, opening, stop before you buy kids clothes. Watch this, don't waste money on itchy and easily rips clothes and the rest. This AI tool is just too good. All right, good guys. So now if I'm gonna play this, let's see how it looks like.
I got my hands on Kit's clothing brand samples. Hey, let's see what goodies they sent over, shall we? First up,
Guys, as you all can see, this AI tool is exceptional, and you can see over here at the top, lip syncs will be available after exporting. All right, so let's see what we're okay with this one. You have the options of selecting, various, videos you want based on all the samples at the bottom over here. You can pick anyone at all. Once you're done, all you have to do, in case you still want to edit, you can click on edit to probably edit the caption, the colors and the rest. But once you're okay with it, like I am actually okay with this already, all you have to do is to click on export. So as you guys can see, exporting completed. All we have to do now is to just simply download it and we have it on our device. And now guys, you can see several exceptional creation tools over here. Now let's even look at this particular tool. Let's look at the product Anyshoot right now. Fit any product anywhere, perfect for try-ons and product showcases. Wow. So we even have a tutorial video here on how to use the product Anyshoot. All you simply have to do is, if you have a product you're selling, let's say you have a pod, you have a device that you're selling, all you have to do is to upload it over here, and then Topview is actually going to use it in a particular video of someone holding it or someone displaying that tool, making it very real, especially for drop shippers out there. This tool is actually gonna bring a whole lot of game changing in the video marketing industry. This tool is something you all must have. This is a must have. So let's look at it right now. So let's say I'm going to upload my products. Let's click on this over here. Let's select any of the products you have. So I'm going to go for this one over here. All right, so you can see it's going to process, and then the next thing you want to do at the right side here is to select the target image. The target image is simply where you want the product to apply on, the type of avatar you want to be holding the product, all you just simply have to do is to click on select from public template over here. All right, so now as you guys can see, we have avatars, we have legs, hands and the rest, but then I think I'm gonna go for, let's go for something that deals with the hand. Let's see if we have something that deals with hand. Since it's a power bank, let's look for something that deals with the hand. And okay, I think this will be fine. Let's just go for this one. Whatever option you want to go for, it's fine. Okay, whatever option you want to go for. So I'm gonna go for this hand. Okay, and now you want to ensure that this yellow stuff is on the product you want to showcase. Okay, so I'm gonna simply erase this, since I want to showcase the power bank, not the phone. Okay, so I'm going to erase this and then click this again, and then ensure the yellow stuff is on the product I want. Great. And now once you're simply done, now the next thing you want to do is to also use this yellow stuff to showcase where you want the product to be on the target image. Okay, so I'm just going to put it over here. Let's just see over this area, and the final thing you want to do is to generate. Okay, just click on generate, and all you have to do now is to just wait for Topview to do its magic. So guys, and now the video is complete. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see what we have here. Wow, guys, this AI tool is exceptional, and all you just have to do right now is to just download it, and that's it. Guys, you can see how amazing this AI tool is. This is the aspect of product Anyshoot. You just simply have to upload your product or select the target image you want, and that's it, and it's going to generate a video for you. This is actually going to help a whole lot of marketing businesses out there. It's going to assist you in your video strategies, because you don't even need to employ or video things anymore. So guys, as you guys can see over here, this AI tool is so exceptional. I want to believe from all what I've showed you guys in today's video, you all have learned a whole lot, and you guys have seen why I mentioned from the start that this AI tool is just so powerful. And in case you're still yet to check it out, head to the site topview.ai right now and get started. You need to start trying this out, especially if you're a business owner or a brand owner. Topview AI is going to assist you in millions of ways you can't even expect, because it's going to make your marketing strategy outstanding. In fact, people are going to start asking you, how are you doing this and how are you doing that? But trust me, you need to try this out right now. Today you have you guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share the video with your friends and family members. And don't forget to tell people, your friends, your business friends, to check it out as well. Okay, and I'll see y'all in my next highly informative video.